Sexy House, sounds of the bedroom.
How does it feel?
For the sexy and sophisticated raver.
How does it feel?
Penthouse brings you the sounds of Sexy House.
How does it feel?
The mature vocal house sound, which can only be described as sexy.
Just right. You got to sit tight.
Brought to you by a selection of the hottest DJs. Dan Kelly, DJ AD, NB, Kush, Chaos, Igor House Project, Double Impact. Catch Sexy House every week in the bedroom at Penthouse. www.goodnightsoutuk.com for more information on where to catch more Sexy